wanted to go to Marcy Projects in Brooklyn and touch the people and touch the culture. I wanted to see what Jay-Z was looking through his window, if he even had a window. I wanted to see what type of trees was growing in Marcy Projects, what type of water Jay-Z was drinking.
Fuck along where I'm from, Marcy, son, ain't nothing nice. There's many places, but I'm Brooklyn's own. Come up along where I'm from, Marcy, son, ain't nothing nice. There's many places, but I'm Brooklyn's own. Come up along where I'm from, Marcy, son, ain't nothing nice. There's many places, but I'm Brooklyn's own. Come up along where I'm from, Marcy, son, ain't nothing nice.
As you learn, Marcy Projects, Marcy, son, what?
We're in Marcy. This is the crack house. This whole project is the motherfucking crack house. This is the crack.
Yo, listen to me, man. It don't get no bigger than this. We in the projects, man. Yo, Oprah's in Marcy Projects, man. Yo, hold on, P. You gotta show them so they won't think I'm playing, though. You gotta get the shot so they won't think I'm playing.
Cough up along where I'm from, Marcy, son, ain't nothing nice. There's many places, but I'm Brooklyn's own.
As I stand in the middle of the projects and embrace the air and embrace the blessings from Brooklyn Marcy Projects, I went and made sure I talked to the young soldiers out there and told them how inspired I am and how inspired you should be to have a brother like Jay-Z come from these projects and become one of the biggest moguls ever in history.
Cough up along where I'm from, Marcy, son.